जाना बहुत ज़्यादा अनएक्सपेक्टेड था क्योंकि हमने कभी मोरक्को जाने के बारे में सोचा नहीं, कभी हमने मोरक्को जाने का प्लान नहीं किया। तो हमें मेल आता है रेडिसन से कि दे वांट टू वर्क विद अस एंड दे हैव अपॉर्चुनिटी जहाँ पे हम लोग उनके साथ कोलैबोरेट करके कुछ अमेजिंग कंटेंट क्रिएट कर सकते हैं। दे सेड वी नीड टू ट्रैवल टू मोरक्को। हमारी पहली आउट ऑफ कॉन्टिनेंट वर्क ट्रिप है ये। सुबह के आई थिंक 6:30 बज रहे हैं, पूरा हो रहा है, दिल्ली की सर्दी है।
मोरक्को जा रहे हैं और मोरक्को से हम आर्गन ऑयल लाएंगे।
हम दोनों का साथ है। लास्ट मोमेंट तक ये श्योर नहीं था हम लोग मोरक्को जाएंगे या नहीं, क्योंकि हम बेवकूफ़ों ने जो फास्ट वाला वीज़ा का जो प्रोसेस होता है वो नहीं करके नॉर्मल स्पीड वाला वीज़ा करा लिया था, वो भी लास्ट के 3 दिन। तो जो आधे दिन का या कुछ घंटों का जो गैप था वो हमारे को भारी पड़ रहा था। लास्ट मोरक्को नहीं जा पाएंगे। वी ट्रैवल्ड ऑल द वे फ्रॉम मनाली टू दिल्ली एंड देन इन द नाइट टिंग करके घंटी बजती है एंड वी हैव आवर वीज़ास। मोरक्को जाने के लिए पहले हम लोग दिल्ली से जाते हैं दुबई, दुबई से जाते हैं हम लोग कासाब्लांका और कासाब्लांका से हम लोग जाते हैं अगादिर, क्योंकि हम लोग मोरक्को में भी एक बहुत रिमोट जगह जाने वाले थे। इतने खतरनाक ट्रैवल के बाद हम लोग पहुंच चुके हैं फाइनली Tagazout.
So the program we were called there for was a surfing program.
Chest up and feet together. Because if your feet is not together, what happens? You lose balance. And then when you try to catch the wave, automatically your nose will die. We'll be inside the water, right?
Looks very, very dangerous. And it's literally scaring me.
So we are about to begin our first surf session.
And this was a similar case. It literally reminded me of that scuba time, because surfing was daunting. Like the first time I stood on the board, it was already like a cloudy day. It was raining. It was not like a suitable sunny perfect weather kind of a day for surfing, so it was like so difficult. I was like, shit man, why did I sign up for this again? I think I made a mistake. Like for Aditya it was so quick, so easy.
This was a crazy first session. I almost lost my GoPro, stood up on the paddle. Crazy. It was bliss.
But on the brighter side, every day we would go to a new beautiful place which was out of this world. Like
We have come to this beautiful skate park out here in Morocco. Basically we lived the surfer's life, और surfing life के जो एलिमेंट्स थे वी ग्राफिटी देखी हमने, स्केटिंग कल्चर देखा, यू नो दे डू अ लॉट ऑफ पार्टी। And Morocco is a really beautiful country.
Seen this kind of beauty where on one side there is like a sand, there are like sand dunes, and there is like dry arid kind of terrain, and on the other side there is a vast like seaside. It was so beautiful. This was the first time we ever went to the seaside which was not tropical. Like it was so dry, the weather was so unique and dry and cold. Like the daytime it was like partially like warm and hot, but in the night it would be pretty chilly, the weather. We could not expect that on the beach side or the seaside.
Oh man, I should have came over here.
And coming back to the surfing experience, it was, I think, almost on the second last day, just like my second last dive.
Because when the wave comes, actually, it's so hard that, even the GoPro, it just flips even though it's like really tight. But yeah, we need a nap.
Every day we were exploring new places in the region, but the drive was the craziest part. People going all crazy and just having a blast. It wasn't just about surfing, In no time, we all felt like a family who's like on a vacation together. With amazing picnic lunches, having Moroccan food, experiencing the culture, and visiting this super cool skate park with sunsets so magical that you cannot stop looking. And while so much was going on, I was getting better and better every day. Good morning, guys. So this is day 4 of surfing. We have alternate days of like one session, then second day 2 sessions. So this is 2 session day, and we are heading towards a place called Imzuan Bay. And day 2 was a bit arduous, but I think day 3 was the day it's started to open up, and I hope today, let's see how it goes. I don't know.
From here, right? Easy, all right? You stay close to me. Anyone needs push or help, stay close to me. Yes, sir. Okay? Go. Safety is first. We go. Let's smash it, guys. Come on.
Let's go. But finally, by the end of the trip, after so many wipeouts, bruises, getting hit by the waves and the boards, struggling for all these days, because every time I thought I was getting the hang of it, another wave would knock me down. But after all of these trials and errors, I stood on the board and it felt like everything slowed down. And inside, there was a feeling to keep at it. There was this amazing feeling of achievement, excitement, and happiness. This whole experience wasn't just about surfing. It was about pushing ourselves. For me, going from being the worst in the group to not giving up and actually improving was incredible. And beyond that, it was just about embracing the lifestyle, just how rewarding and active, adventurous life can be. Tagazoot, you have been unreal. Until next time.